All right, we are here in ResortsWorld in the Crockford West Tower in the one-bedroom entertainment suite. Now, a real cool thing about the Crockfords, when you stay here, they give you this really cool souvenir. So you get to keep it, and I get to take it home. They also give you a couple of regular room keys, but this will open your door. So the moment you walk in, to your immediate left, you have a guest bathroom. Just basic, simple little half bathroom for anyone coming in. To your right is a completely empty closet. So you can bring in any of your, this is designed as an entertainment suite. You can bring in groups of friends, have people over. And the moment you walk in, see a little bit of nice artwork. But we come into the living room area. Couple of sofa, you got a sofa, a couple of couches, got one big TV. And then over off to this little side, a small, tiny little like bar, kitchenette, dining area. So I've got a sink, running water. I'll have the nice little amenities. I've got a margarita shaker, ice bucket, the nice little espresso machine, the no snack bar, a couple of cups with it too. Of course, very common no drink fridge. And we see these all over ResortsWorld right now, where you have the small little mini fridge for your own little drinks. But this suite ups it even better. And I got a whole second full cooler. And it's actually, if you want to chill some wine, that will fit a few nice bottles or a few extra drinks you want to carry around. A nice little chandelier with this one. And the room is digitally controlled. So I've got all the nice food, all the nice temperature settings, whatnot. I can open up the drapes. I got two full floor to ceiling mirrors just in the living room. It's really hard to see with the lights on. See down the strip out there. See the Wynn, the Encore. This is the strip side. View of the pools during the day. Or the Auk nightclub and when it's doing pool season. Pretty simple view, but of course in a few years, once these areas are developed, it'll probably be a much nicer, prettier view. We're going to take you over. Off just to the right of the entrance is the bedroom. Come in here, TV off to the left, full set of drapes, and the bed that you can just kind of lie down and watch the entire view of Vegas. Just lying in bed. And we'll come over here to the closets. And you got your closet space with your safe, your robes, your slippers, a little space for some of your luggage. Second full closet, you want to do any of your laundry bags, a couple of nice hangers, some drawers, and a little more shelf space. And then finally, one last little closet. A couple of nice little cubby holes, an ironing board, and an iron. And then we have the bathroom, which actually has a nice sliding door, so you can close it completely if you want a little privacy in there. As we open it up, and I've got a big, huge soaking tub, and I got 2 separate vanities with a chair for doing your makeup. Got a hair dryer, and a nice little full-length mirror, and this is our toilet with its own separate door. You want a little privacy in your privacy in your privacy. And then we have our shower. Actually, space if you want to sit down. And let me tell you, that is some height. Because I am 6'4". And let me tell you, I've got over hand length in between me and the shower head. 6'4". That thing is over 7 feet in the air. That is crazy. That is a luxury that is very, very rare afforded to people of my height. As for some of the other amenities, I've got manicure kit, dental kit, I've got body lotion, hand washes, mouthwash, shower cap, all those little accessories. And I forgot to actually show this off in the bedroom, but the room comes with its own wand massager. So, a little rough day, and you can kick back and massage your sore, aching muscles. And this one's also got its own separate temperature control, and then settings for the drapes.